right, Keith, I had a little bit of time today that I had lunch at the beach, and it felt summer-like in the sun.
Was anyone there? I feel like people have given up
There
on
were
it.
like a few people, but I was really poorly dressed because it's just that time of year. I had like jeans and a long-sleeve shirt, and I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, it can get to you quick. I found even this past weekend on a nice beach day, it was quiet, because I think mentally people are just like, whatever, it's past. This weekend, maybe not the vibe you're looking for. It's going to be much cooler. We got to 81 in Portland today, 84 in West Cassidy, 84 in Freiburg too. These are temperature anomalies that are pretty big for this time of the year, 10 degrees or more above average. Got some clouds coming in now, starting to thicken up over southern Maine. That's in response to this low that's dug its way into the western edge of this ridge. And so the whole game here over the next 2 days is how much of this rain can pivot its way into the state. And it is a very close call. Actually, it looks closer than it did yesterday. We'll explore that here in a second. Tonight it's quiet. Temperatures are in the 50s to around 60 degrees. A lot of clouds around too. Tomorrow's a split state forecast where the coast is much cloudier than inland, and we have a chance for some showers along the coast. Inland, we'll actually see some sun and temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80. Now, this is where it got interesting. Global models and the small scale models, which is what we're showing you here, have brought that rain shield ever closer. Still keep it technically offshore, but look how close that rain is here tomorrow afternoon. So we have some showers in the forecast, but we'll be watching especially southern coastal Maine to see if we get into more consistent rain tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. And then a second batch tries to rotate through on Friday. Again, most of this is offshore, but it's not comfortably offshore. Like if this was snow, it'd make you really nervous about a snowfall map. It's that kind of situation. But as it stands, we're not expecting a ton of rain, but we will be watching especially York and Cumberland counties. If you're in central and northern Maine, this is really a non-issue. The rain is going to stay to your south, and it's going to stay to the east as well. It's just the coastline that we're watching. You can see it on the Euro model, does the same thing, pivots it, ooh, so close, here Thursday night into Friday morning, then that low tries to move away in time for the weekend. But it's kind of sticking around just enough to give us some additional clouds too. Here's another way to look at it, the European model putting the bulk of the rain offshore. This is a bit of a more comfortable solution than the one I just showed you. But it's close, so we left the showers in there. Not inland, because I don't think we'll have a problem with that, but for the coastal forecast, you'll see those showers around on Thursday and Friday. So you just have to see if we end up with a 0.1 or a 0.4 or something like that. It would make a big difference as far as the drought situation. Well, it would help over southern Maine. That's actually where York County is the only spot that is in an official drought of any kind, abnormally dry, and that's the spot that could get clipped by this rain. So we'll keep an eye on that. Weekend looks fine. It will be a little bit cloudy and cool, but fall appropriate generally.
All right. Thanks, Keith.